Hey class of 2020, this video is going to help you for your enrollment process. So the first thing you'll need to do after you log into PowerSchool is go over to the section for class registration. And at this point in time, you will be prompted to this screen. It might look a little bit different, and that's okay. You will use your pre-enrollment sheet that your parents have signed that your seminar teachers currently have. You will use that as of right now to go ahead and look at your information. So the first step will be choosing your senior English class. So you will click over here to the button with the notepad and the pencil, and you will click on the appropriate English class. Make sure that you are looking at the prerequisite notes. It will allow you to click in there, but you may be changed afterward if need be. So applied English, regular high school English 4, and then English Comp 101. If you choose this, the English Comp, the English class, you must have met the prerequisite, and this is a first semester class. And then this is the second semester class. So everyone will need to have both of those. Down at the bottom it says how many you need to have. The 2 is there if you are doing English 101 and Intro to Research Writing 299. Once you have your selection made, click OK. At this point in time, there will be a box that looks similar to this that's popped up. Senior Math, you will do the same thing at this point in time. Notice on this, it says prerequisites have not been met because this is a fake kind of account, so it's not letting me go onto everything that you may. So it depends on what is available, what is not. You may select up to 2 courses. So it could be if you are choosing not to take a senior math class, then you would continue on with this part. If you have any possibility of going on to a 2 or 4 year college, I highly recommend you taking at least 1 math class. After you've made your selection, click OK. Again, that will show up. American Government. Everyone is taking American Government. It should already be selected for you. A History Government elective. If you would like to take any of those courses, you may do so. Anytime it says dual, those are college courses that you need to make sure that you have met the prerequisites for and are understanding that you will be paying for those on your own. If you are choosing to make any senior history, government, or social studies electives, do so at this time. Click OK. Senior Science. Making sure that you have met the prerequisites for each section. Make your selection and then go to OK. The next part will be for electives. So here you will see technology electives, business, fine art. Under the technology electives, if you have not made the prerequisites of foundations, then that's going to cut out most of Mr. Aiken, or all of Mr. Aiken and most of Mr. Goody's. So foundations would be the first part. As you're scrolling, pay close attention to the pages that you have available. Technology has 3. Anything that says C-Tech is just that, at C-Tech through Fort Scott. So look carefully at those. Again, mine looks a little bit differently, and that's okay because my prereqs have not been met. Once you have made all of your courses selection, push OK. Your business electives will be the same thing. Any of those that you would like to do. Senior electives. Seniors have quite a few. If you've already taken Career Life Planning, CLP, you do not need to select that. If you have not taken it, it is a graduation requirement, so you will need to have this. Career Life Learning Experience, that is the internship, and there are the prerequisites. CMA, CNA, Computer Programming, consumer science, culinary, EMT, fire science. Next page would be nutrition and wellness, peer tutoring, Spanish 1, 2, 3, student aid, and weight training. So if any of those are what you're interested in, as far as senior electives, you will click on those selections and followed by OK. And additional requests are left alone. When you are completely finished, you will have the selection to push down here at the bottom will be submit. Once you have made all of your selections in accordance to your paper that your parents have approved, you will push submit and you should be good to go. If you have any questions or any concerns, please let me know. Thank you.